Okay, so as I promised you, I'm gonna unbox this slime mart. Yeah. Okay, the sun is a bit in the way, I guess. So let's open it. Okay, wait. So first, I wanna like take this thing off. Ugh. Okay, so I know what it is, but I'm not gonna tell you guys. Maybe it's actually obvious what it's gonna be, but I like it to stay as a surprise. Okay, so let's use this. Okay, so you guys can like what is inside. Oh, actually, I see that. Okay, I have been like kind of sniffing it. So we got like this syrup. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Like, it looks like I'm really like making food or something. We have a little recipe. So good. We got our dough. We got, what is this? I don't know, what is this? We got our napkin. Oh my god, that's so adorable. I have a feeling I want to have to make a part 2, but okay. We have our butter stick. And we have this. And this. So let's start, but I'm gonna make a part 2 for this because yeah,